Nighttime relaxation techniques. How to relax at night. There are many ways to relax at night, and different techniques work for different people. Here are some ideas. Practice deep breathing. Take slow, deep breaths and focus on your breathing. Inhale slowly for 4 seconds, hold your breath for 4 seconds, and exhale slowly for 4 seconds. Take a warm bath or shower. The warm water can help to relax your muscles and calm your mind. Listen to calming music or sounds. Soft music or nature sounds like rain, waves, or birds can help to soothe your mind and create a peaceful atmosphere. Read a book. Reading a book can help to distract your mind from any worries or stress, and make you feel sleepy. Meditate. Try a guided meditation or simply sit in silence and focus on your breath. This can help to calm your mind and promote relaxation. Write in a journal. Writing down your thoughts and feelings can help you to process them and release any tension. Practice gentle yoga or stretching. Yoga poses or gentle stretching can help to release tension in your body and promote relaxation. Drink a cup of herbal tea. Chamomile, lavender, or valerian root teas can help to relax your mind and body, and promote better sleep. Remember that it is important to establish a bedtime routine that works for you and to create a comfortable sleeping environment. Avoid screens and stimulating activities before bedtime, and try to go to bed at a consistent time each night. Additionally, it's important to limit caffeine and alcohol intake, as these can interfere with your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. Eating a light, healthy snack before bed can also help to regulate your blood sugar levels and promote a restful night's sleep. If you find that your mind is still racing and you can't seem to relax, try practicing progressive muscle relaxation. This involves tensing and relaxing each muscle group in your body, starting with your feet and working your way up to your head. By focusing on each muscle group, you can release tension and promote relaxation throughout your body. Remember, the key to relaxing at night is to find what works for you and make it a regular part of your routine. With time and practice, you can develop a healthy bedtime routine that promotes relaxation, reduces stress, and improves the quality of your sleep. It's also important to create a comfortable sleeping environment to help you relax at night. This means investing in a good quality mattress and pillows that support your body and provide a comfortable sleeping surface. Consider using blackout curtains or an eye mask to block out any light that may disturb your sleep, and keep the temperature in your room cool and comfortable. If you find that you are still struggling to relax at night despite your best efforts, it may be worth speaking to a healthcare professional. They can offer advice on relaxation techniques and suggest treatments or therapies that may help you to relax and sleep better. Ultimately, relaxing at night is all about finding what works for you and making it a priority in your daily routine. By taking the time to unwind before bed and creating a comfortable sleeping environment, you can help to reduce stress and promote better sleep, leading to improved overall health and well-being. It's important to address any underlying issues that may be contributing to your difficulty relaxing at night. This could include stress or anxiety, which can make it difficult to quiet your mind and fall asleep. Practicing stress management techniques, such as mindfulness or therapy, can help to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Similarly, if you are experiencing physical discomfort or pain, this can also make it difficult to relax and sleep. In this case, it may be worth speaking to a healthcare professional to address the root cause of your discomfort and find ways to manage your symptoms. Remember, getting enough quality sleep is essential for your overall health and well-being. By taking steps to relax at night, you can help to promote better sleep and improve your physical and mental health. So take the time to find what works for you, and make relaxation a regular part of your bedtime routine.